Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this problem. It's called verifying an alien dictionary. It's the a minute it just is. Yeah, okay. In an alien language, surprisingly, they also use English lowercase letters, but possibly in different order. The order of the alphabet is some permutation of lowercase letters. Given the sequence words written in the alien language, and the order of the alphabet return true if the only if on and if the only given words are sorted lexicographically in this alien language. So we have words. It's called hello Leetcode, and we have this one is the order, and it's true because H it's become before L, and yeah, this is true because it's sorted right now. For this one, it is false because if we looked at the order, you find that we have word and world, okay, and D comes after L, so it's not sorted in the right way. For the other one here, if you look at this one, we have apple and app. Actually, the first three are the same, but the second string is shorter in size according to the lexicographic rules. So apples is bigger than app, so it should be app apple, and this is false. So how we solve this problem? So the way that I think about solving this problem, first I guess we have to do two things. First, we should create an array to sort the order in it, and after that we make loop through each word and compare it to the next word, and if they are sorted, we continue to look for the other words. This the things that I'm looking for. So first, let's just create the loop. So say const map order, it will equals new array. This array it will be from 26 character, and I will fill it with zeros right now. And to store the values of each character in order, let's say that we have 26, so 0 will be 1, okay, but for the 0 will be A. Basically the first one will be A. I will sort the order of A, so basically A is sorted at the fourth, so 0 it will be 3, 4, 5, things like that. So let's just make a loop for let I equals 0, I less than order the length I plus plus, and I will say order map, okay, of order the character char the character at char at character code at I minus 97, and in the exe code the lowercase, if you want to get the index of the lowercase in terms of 0, 1, 2, 3, you just get the character code add and minus 97, because you started from 97 up till 122, something like that, will equals I. What that means, just the map order the character add, this means order the character add. Let's say that we have A, for example, like order the character add I A, it will be equals 97. This one, if we are talking about if the the character at I is the character code at I is the character is A, so the code will be 97, and 97 minus 97 will minus 97 will equals 0. And I am saying that for each one in the map order here, that we have 0 the map order 0, the first element will equals whatever we have in I. So for example, we are not starting with A anymore. In this one we're starting with H. Okay, so this will be the first element. However, when we have this one will be the first element, though the character code at I guess this will be maybe let's say that this will be 20. So the map order of 20 of index 20 will equals 0. So we're creating the new order of the alphabet. Basically we implementing this order of the alphabet. After we created the order of the alphabet, let's just start to the second section, which is to compare. So I will make a for loop for let I equals 0, I less than words dot length I plus plus, and I could do I guess that I'll need to make another loop inside it. So because right now we have for each word and I wanna compare by character, so I will for let G equals 0, G is less than words of I dot length, okay, G plus plus. And what I'm going to say that we have, I will say if G is bigger than or equal words of I plus 1, return false. Remember this example, or is this one? We shouldn't be bigger or equal. We shouldn't be bigger. Okay, we are returning false. This is the base case. Let's just start in the code, and let's say the const current. I will say current character. Okay, current. This will be, I get the current character. It will be words of I. Okay, the character at char at G. Okay, the char code of 0, okay, minus 97. Okay, so let's start in the next one. I will say next, let next it will be the same but I plus 1. So we have the current character and the next character, and for this one I'm taking words of I, so I'm taking apple for example, or hello, and dot character at J. For example, if J is 0, I'm taking only the H. And what I'm doing now, I'm taking the code of this character, okay, and I am taking and I'm taking 97 for it, so I will get the number from 0 to 26. So I will say if order map of current of current, because this will return a number, is bigger than next, order map of next, we return false and break. Else we break, I guess. And if none of that happen, I'll return true. Oh, there's something. Oh, +1. Sorry. First of all, it's +1, not +2. And I have words that char at. Word of I +1 dot char at. Order map order, sorry, not order map. Oh, tons of error. What's going on? We have words next. It's oh, sorry. I should make something. I should if words of I dot char at G doesn't equal word of I +1 dot char at G, and I will say take all of that. What's going on? Why? It's what? Cannot read the properties of undefined char at if words of I dot char at if words of I dot character at G doesn't equal words of I +1 dot there's something wrong here. I don't like it. There's something not right, I guess. There's something not right. Let's just see everything again. Let's talk about the map order. I guess there's something with the map order wrong. Map order the character at I minus. So we're doing the order here. Everything looks fine. If and I'm doing for of course -1. What? If word, it would be words that length -1 I plus for let j equals 0, j less than words dot length word of I dot length j plus plus if j bigger than or equals word um, word of I. What word of j? Word of I plus 1. What? Okay, I guess there's a lot of mistakes that I have done in this code. It's words of I plus 1 if it's word of I plus 1 dot length. Oh, finally. A lot of wrong. I did a lot of wrong things. Okay, so let's just go through the I will tell you something. This question is supposed to be easy, but it's not easy at all. So if you find yourself you're struggling with it, like don't feel that it's a pressure. It's not easy at all. It takes me time to understand the problem. So let's just start with the problem. First of all, in this one, we are sorting. We are putting the order into array, so we can just visit the order. And we are doing that. We're putting each character in each order. For example, a is 0. Like if we have an array right now, and it's just like we have 3 2 4 and maybe like 7 6 7 12. That means that a in this is the third character, and b is the fifth, and c is the sixth. This is what we're doing. We are sorting the order, and after that we are looping through the words, and after that we're looping through each character in the word. I'm saying that if g is bigger than or equals words the I plus 1 the length, that means the first character is bigger than it, so we return false. This is a base case. Let's start with let's start with this one. I'm saying that if words of I the character of j doesn't equals words of I plus 1 the character of j. For example, that if we are starting with this one, so if h doesn't equals l, okay, let's start to make sure are they sorted or not. So current is h, so I want to get the order of h. So what I'm going to do is that I'm saying words of I. Okay, I'm taking the first, for example, I'm taking the first word, the character of j. I'm taking the specific character. I'm getting its number in the array. Okay, and from its index in the array, and from its index I will get its value. So I'm getting the current character index and the next character index, and after that I am comparing both of them. I'm saying that if this character bigger than the next one, return false. Otherwise, break. No need to compare both of them with each other. So that's it for this video. I hope my solution was quite good. The problem is pretty challenging because it has a lot of um, like misunderstanding is going on, and sorry for the errors that I have done. And if you like my solution, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you in future videos.